Okay, y'all, so that was that was a lot. So I've got a can of black bean refried beans, and this is a pound of ground beef that I've cooked and drained. We're mixing this all together. And then we're adding just a little bit of enchilada sauce. I'll pop it open with a can opener. And just a little bit, not much. Just to kind of moisten everything. And once that's all mixed together, we've got just a couple more things to add. First thing is some pepper jack cheese. I'm only adding half a cup. And we're also adding half a cup of Colby Jack. And we're going to give that another really good mix. We're going to be adding a whole packet of taco seasoning. So just open that up, sprinkle that all over everything. It's just ground beef, refried beans, cheese, taco seasoning, and a little bit of enchilada sauce. That was so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside for a second. Okay, so I've got some muffin cups. Got that rest of that enchilada sauce. I'm gonna pour a little bit in the bottom of each one. And surprising no one, even out of a can, I've made a little bit of a mess. I've got these jumbo shells that I've cooked and drained. And you're just gonna take each one. And then you're just gonna take this and flip it inside out. Just like that, so it becomes a little cup. So I'm gonna put one in each muffin. And then we're gonna take our bean and hamburger and enchilada sauce and all that cheese, and take a little scoop, one in each one. And our last one. So this filling actually makes 2 batches, so 24 little cups in all. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that enchilada sauce and just go ahead and go on top as well. And then we're going to go back with a little bit more of that pepper jack cheese. And of course, just a little bit more of that Colby Jack as well. And the nice thing is you can go ahead and make these ahead of time, and you just pop them in the oven right before dinner and they'll be ready to go. So yeah, so once we put all of that on there, this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, just until all the cheese melts and everything gets heated through. After 20 minutes, it looks like this. Everything's all melty and warm. I've got a plate with some shredded lettuce on top. I think if I do this right, I might be able to come up with like a new Taco Tuesday recipe every week, maybe. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Look at how saucy they look. They look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more little toppings and then we'll give this a taste test. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so got a little bit more cheese, some of that Colby Jack. I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. I've got some diced tomatoes. If they'll land properly. And then I've got a little bit of sour cream, like that. And finally, some chopped green onions. And then we're gonna give this, oh my God, that looks so good. I'm gonna give this a taste. You don't need like the rest of like the veggies and stuff, but I think it'd be more fun that way. So give this. That pasta is great. It's such a great idea. It's a little bit of a departure from using like, corn tortillas, but it's good. You should make it for Taco Tuesday, I promise. It's